Good day. Our lesson will focus on the conversion of decimal number to a binary number. Decimal number are numbers represented with base 10, and binary numbers are numbers represented with base 2. So based on our module, we have steps there on how to convert decimal number into a binary number. Let me remind you the steps, which is the given will be divided into 2 until the quotient becomes 0. We get the remainder, we identify the most significant bit, and we identify the least significant bit. So we are going to write the remainder from bottom to top, or from last digit to the first digit. For example, in our module, we have a decimal number which is 43, and we are going to convert this 43 into a binary number. So we are going to divide it with 2. 2 is the base of a binary system. So 4 divided by 2, so we have 2. 2 and 2 will make a product of 4. So we subtract, the difference is 0. Then we bring down 3. So 3 will be divided by 2. So we have 1, 2 and 1. So we have a product of 2. And we have a remainder which is 1. So this is our least significant bit. So our quotient is still 21. Again, the rule states that we will not stop dividing until the quotient becomes 0. So we are going to divide the quotient, which is 21. So we get 21 from here. This is the quotient. And we divide it again with 2. So we have 1, 2 and 1 will make a product of 2. We have a difference of 0. We bring down 1. So 1 cannot be divided by 2, so we have to put 0. 2 and 0 will make a product of 0, and we have a remainder of 1. Okay, next, we are going to divide the next quotient, which is 10. We are going to divide it with 2 once again. So 10 divided by 2, we have 5, and then we have a product of 10, a difference which is 0, remainder which is 0. So we're going to divide again 5. Our quotient 5 will be divided again with 2. So 5 divided by 2 is, we have 2, and then product of 4, and then a difference of 1. So we are going to divide still, because we still have a quotient which is 2. So 2 divided by 2, we have 1, we have a product of 2, and then a remainder which is 0. So we will still continue to divide because our quotient is still 1. Again, we stop if the quotient is 0. So 1 will be divided by 2. This time our quotient is 0. So 2 and 0 make 0. And then the difference is 1. So we are going to read it from, again, from the most significant number to the least significant bit. Okay. So meaning it's from, this is our last, and this is our first. So the last digit, or the last remainder, will be the first to be written in the answer. So we have 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so the answer in converting 43, which is a decimal number, is equals to 1, 0, 1, 0 1 1. Okay, so this is our answer. Please refer to your module so that you can see the guide in there. Okay, we proceed to our next example. You can see it on your module. So we are going to convert a decimal number, which is 90, and we turn it into a binary number. So again, the procedure is we are going to divide 90 with 2. So we have 9 will be divided by 2, so we have 4, and 2 and 4 will make a product of 8. The difference is 1. And then we bring down 0. 10 will be divided by 2. We have 5. So we have a product of 10. And our difference is 0. We are going to divide because our quotient is still 45. 45 will be divided again with 2. So 4 will be divided with 2. So we have 2, 2 and 2. Well, we have 4. The difference is 0. We are going to bring down 5. 5 will be divided by 2. So we have 2. The product of 2 and 2 is we have 4. The difference of 5 and 4 is 1. Okay? So that is our remainder. Again, we are going to divide 22 with 2. So we have 1, a product of 2, and a difference of 0. We bring down 2. 2 will be divided with 2, so we have again 1, and 2 and 1 will have a product of 2. And the remainder or the difference is 0. Okay, we proceed. 11 will be divided again with 2. So we have 5. And then we have a product of 10 and a difference of 1. So we proceed. We divide 5 with 2. So we have a quotient of 2, a product of 4, and a difference of 1. We still proceed to the division of the quotient, which is 2. So 2 and 2 will make a quotient of 1, and a product of 2, and a difference of 0. So we proceed. So we have 1 will be divided by 2, so it's gonna be, the quotient is 0, so we have a product of 0 and a difference of 1. Okay, so our answer will be read back from the last remainder going to the first remainder, which is 0. Okay, so this is our most significant bit, 1, and this is our least significant bit, which is 0. So we are going to put the answer in the conversion of 90, a decimal number converted into a binary number will be 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. Okay, so this is our answer in converting a decimal number, which is 90, after the process of division. So we have now 1 0 1 1 0 1 0.